Introducing the 2025 Subaru Outback. This comfortable and connected Outback answers the call of your adventurous spirit. Loaded with passenger amenities, this versatile compact SUV is eager to hit the road or the trail so you can follow your heart's desire. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, satellite radio, backup camera, heated front seat, heated mirrors, fog lamps, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls, alarm, power driver seat. Indulge your adventurous side in this well-equipped Outback. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.